The blog, oh, bite it, just put out a how-to recipe for fried tequila balls. It's the best news for AM tequila drinkers since Taco Bell started serving breakfast. Hey everybody, I'm Patrick Jones, and welcome to Buzz 60. The blog makes it real easy to make your fried shots. Just a heads up, this isn't one of those, oh yeah, the alcohol burns off situations. You eat these puppies, and the next thing you know, I want to dance with somebody is on your headphones and you're dancing on park benches. What? You better than me? Fried tequila is just the next step, apparently, in the search for getting alcohol into as many things as possible. We've seen alcohol in cupcakes, alcohol in gumdrops, alcohol in paninis, and alcohol in alcohol. I know Meatloaf said 2 out of 3 ain't bad, but let's not mail it in, huh? We're getting pretty set in 2 states of matter with our liquids and solids down. Somebody needs to get to work on putting alcohol in the air. Scuba diving would become the greatest activity ever. Buzz 60, now you know, pass it on.